Okay guys, I'm at the effigy site and I walked up on something and you guys aren't going to believe it. Are you ready? Holy cow. You can see where my scratch marks are. I bumped it. I was like, what? See, and it looked polished, and it is. It's rounded. Oh, I'm hoping it's a discoidal. Oh, come on baby, please don't be broke. Come on, be there, be there. Be there, please be there. My gosh. You're talking about a shaker, boys. Oh, my find of a lifetime right here. Find of a lifetime. Oh my. Yes. Oh, it's shaking, boys. She's shaking. Polished. I'm gonna have to lean against the ground. I can't hold it straight enough. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. I'm in shock. I'm in shock. Alright guys, I'm gonna get off here so I can do a cartwheel or two. Alright, I'll clean it up, show you guys when to clean up.